Kuha ko ng iba.
I've been eating.
Hindi na nga kita. Ano yung bugawin? Ito na lang. Malalim pa ba? Hindi kita. Daddy, hindi kita.
Ba't namamatay?
Namamatay pag. Ganun pa lang. Record na yan.
Ano sasabihin ko na eh?
Morning! Punta ko muna sa mga bibe ba?
Baby boy, anong dami?
I-video mo sila.
Ready?
Good morning! So, ginising kami ni Daddy like around 5:45 a.m. because we have a lot of activities to do. Badminton, archery, tapos swimming ulit. May ATV pa kami para masulit yung araw. And kasi mag-check out na kami ng 12 kung walang bakante. Pero kung merong bakante, maybe we could extend one more night. It depends on the situation. So, ayan, binis ako si Leah and iipitan na natin siya. Ayan. So, may katangahan akong ginawa. Naiwan ko yung susi sa loob ng cabin. Ito yung nadala ko, yung susi sa apartment. Bobo. Buti na lang. May spare key sila dito. Hindi pa bukas yung reception kasi ano pa yun eh. 8 pa nagbubukas. So, buti meron dito sa ano. May staff lang ako na pinagtanungan. Tapos meron silang spare key dyan sa ano, clubhouse. Huwag yung gayahin, please. Antayin ko lang sila dito sa cabin. Sila Kevin, nagbike na para sulit ang araw. Are you getting a skot-kot? Next time dalhin mo na yung bike mo. Parehaso mong dalhin, okay? Ay, opo. 10 po. Ayun. So, I finally got the key. Let's go. Kuha tayo ng bike. Eight pa daw yung badminton tsaka yung archery. Laki niyan. Matutumay ka. Ay, matutumay ka. Hi.
Ay,
I'll be just getting my own bicycle. Eh, ayos mo yung stand. Ayos mo yung stand.
ayos mo yung stand.
Angat mo lang.
Ako gagat na ako ng ano.
Own bicycle.
Own bicycle. So, And this is bike area. Nagbabike na ako. Hi! Hi! Ay, ang ganda dito. Sobrang ganda. Alam mo, hindi Bulacan. Pakita kayo sa view. Papark na kayo?
Hey, hindi mo alam?
Ano?
Hindi mo alam mag-bike?
Ala, mataas yung kanina eh. Pinalitan ko yung bike. Oh, hawakan mo muna to.
GoPro?
Yep.
Hey guys, today we're at the bike and my mommy says it's just one lap already. Just one lap. We're just gonna sit at the boat area. Daddy, malaki.
Want to go on a boat?
No. There's trash. Flowers.
That's flower.
With the fishes and sharks. They're sharks.
No.
Daddy,
It's just a man-made fun.
do you know how to video?
No. Ito, buka na lang sa akin.
Hi, mommy. You're just gonna go to mommy, okay? She said one more. Oh my gosh. So I'm gonna lap and we're done. We're gonna go back to home. Right there is our home. And you wanna see the door. And of course, today we're gonna go home. And mommy's right here. Mommy. Oh, mommy. Watch out, mommy.
Ay! Park na natin. Pagod na ako.
Okay. That says she is tight. Come on. Linower daw yung upuan. Tingnan mo, linower.
Taas kasi nang
Now, Daddy says she was just gonna wait for her. Daddy's sakit? Daddy! Daddy! Ano ba yan? Daddy!
Oh, ano ka? Swimming duck.
A swimming duck.
Happy Father's Day, Daddy.
Father's Day, Daddy.
Thank you.
Did you eat your Ferrero again?
Wala pa.
Nasaan ba?
Andun plastic.
Giliw, o wag mo sanang limutin ang mga araw na hindi sana naglaho, mga anak at bahay na di pinaplano. Lahat ng ito'y nawala nung iniwan mo ko.
po. Oh, hindi mo na kaya? Bigat. Oh, slow down! Slow down! Natakot ako ha. Oh, go! 1, 2, 3. Go! Bitaw!
You're scared?
I'm not scared. Baka... Oh, go.
Oh no!
Oh, be careful ah. You might eat the... Ano ba yan? Duck or chicken? I don't know.
I looked them the first time. They're not looking. Excuse me, little doggy. They're just gonna go.
We'll just say, excuse me.
Excuse me, doggy.
Coming through.
Coming through.
No, they're chicken. They're chicken.
I'm good at the fastness. I think your next year is gonna be fast.
You're the fastest baby of... you're the fastest driving baby.
And my sister, she's gonna be slow
Oh, hawak mo na.
Okay. It's close. Hello.
Okay, time na.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Dito na na.
Wala yun.
Ang lapit ko eh.
Going home. Balik na lang po ulit kami because it's worth it. It's worth it. Kaya gusto kasi ni Lia, ilang nights? 10 nights yung gusto ni Lia. We only stay 1 night. But next time we're going back again. And we'll try the big house.